Hi, it's mschaeffer from Brown Harris Stevens, and I'm delighted to show you our latest sales exclusive at Plymouth Tower, a pet-friendly, full-service, luxury doorman building in the Upper East Side. I want to show you my favorite part about this spacious and renovated one-bedroom apartment. Look at these sweeping views of the Upper East Side and Billionaire's Row. Beautiful light streams in all afternoon. I mean, come on, look at these happy plants. The comfortable living dining room features light floors, crown molding, a really large window and central air. The adjacent galley kitchen provides ample counter and cabinet space with a custom tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances. The king-size bedroom has the same open views and a generously sized closet. That means there's 3 in total, a huge walk-in when you enter, the linen closet, and this one. The bathroom has an updated vanity, custom tile, and deep soaking tub. The amenities are truly awesome at this building. There is an indoor pool and hot tub on the roof, and a full gym with sauna. A landscaped roof deck with stunning water views, tables, sun chairs, and grills wrap all the way around both amenities. Finally, a large laundry facility located in the basement and a parking garage attached to the building with monthly spots available. As rents continue to rise, buying a one-bedroom like this can help control your expenses and you build equity while you're doing it. I hope you'll come and take a look at this one-bedroom home on the Upper East Side.